AI is going to transform the way we build. And you might think I'm crazy, Michael, but I think in 5 years from now, if you want to build a new building, you're going to go to a prompt and you're going to have three inputs. You're going to put the address in, you're going to put the budget that you have, and then you're going to put that style and model that you want. You want a 3-bedroom house with 3 bathrooms? Put that in the prompt. You gave it the address. It now knows the zoning and the density, what can be built, right? How high of a building, right? You gave it a budget. So is it, a 5-star, whatever, Ritz-Carlton, or is it workforce housing? And you told it what you want. And the problem's been solved. If you tell it's a 3-bedroom house with, whatever, 3 bathrooms, a kitchen, and a laundry room, once you've got a basic layout, there's not an infinite amount of ways to run the plumbing, for example, or the electric. There's 2 or 3 general ways that you're going to do it. There's a drain, there's a slope, there's a vent, like some basics you're going to follow. And with AI, we now have hundreds of thousands of these homes that have been approved and been built. So now the AI is going to be smarter than any engineer that you can ever hire because it can remember 100,000 different layouts and then give you that most efficient layout that's up to code and up to spec in your local, municipal government. So think of what that unlocks now. You're taking 2 years of pre-construction, you're compressing it into a prompt into seconds. And now humans can focus on the creativity, on building better, sustainable communities that are more livable, more walkable, that are more affordable, right? And think of that creativity where we can, again, go back to the days where we're proud of the community we live in. It's not just driven by bottom line dollars and cents, but it's something that's beautiful, right? It's a beautiful piece of art. I mean, that's what architecture, is at its finest. And I think we're going to get back to that.